enjoy other videos.
Well, hello again. It's another banner day for the farm. I'm on my way out to a company called Alameda Water Well. They're in Manville, Texas, and we're going to pick up our pressure tank and all the necessary fittings, and let's see if we can't make the old water well gush water today. All right, stay tuned. We'll see you here in a bit. Right, well, we've got the tank in the truck, and now we're headed to the farm. Let's go put in a water tank and make the water gush.
Well, looks like a pressure tank in the middle of a field. Yep, got it all plumbed up. Kicked it on about 10 minutes ago, and what we got on the pressure? We've got 50, almost 55 psi. All right, 220 gallon pressure tank, supply tank for our irrigation system. Everything's working. Everything looks all brand new and shiny. Oops, looks like we got a little leak. Yeah, how about that? Got a little leak. Oh well. A couple twists of the old pipe wrench and that'll be over and done with. Let's see what happens here on this end. Oh, look at that. Woohoo! We got water. Wow. Yes, sir, Bob. All right, cool deal. Another productive day on the farm.